One of the first things I always ask people when we have our classes about diabetes is, okay, so what are the sugars that you should stay away from it? And people always ultimately go cakes and candy and ice cream and the sweets and stuff like that. And those are bad. Yes, those are. But you know what's equally as bad is what we call our compound foods. So like your lasagnas and your casseroles and enchiladas and things that have a lot of different ingredients. And what's bad about those? It's you can't control what's in it, and then trying to sort of gauge how much of this and how much of that you have, and it's really, really high. Plus, generally, most of those foods are high in fat too. But it's not that you can't eat them; you just have to eat them in moderation. You can't eat them every day, maybe once a week, maybe twice a week. But when you're having those things, are you balancing out with a lot of fiber? And so what does that mean? So am I eating a salad with it? Am I eating 2 or 3 vegetables? Am I having a cup or 2 cups of broccoli with maybe a side of green beans with it? I'm making it real simple, real easy. Just adding just something like that to a meal can change the way that your body processes the meal. So one of the things that we teach is, if you're eating your fibrous stuff first, your non-starchies first, then eating your protein, and the last thing you're putting in is your carbohydrates. Guess what? All of that other stuff that's gone in there is sort of going to create a cushion to absorb the carbohydrates, and now your body's going to process them slower, which means your body doesn't have to work as hard to process them, which means that your blood glucose numbers will be a little bit lower. Try it, see what happens, let me know.